In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use formula fields in Zoho CRM. If you're managing customer relationships with Zoho CRM, understanding how formula fields work can streamline your data handling process and add a layer of efficiency to your operations. So, let's dive into it and see how you can set up these fields effectively. Firstly, we need to head over to Zoho's main website. This is your gateway to accessing all the powerful tools that Zoho provides for businesses. Once you're there, the next step is to sign in. You'll find the Sign In option prominently displayed. Click on it to proceed. After signing in, you'll be directed to Zoho Home. This is essentially the control center for all things Zoho, and from here, we're going to navigate our way to Zoho CRM. Clicking on Zoho CRM will take you directly to the Customer Relationship Management Suite, where we'll begin working on our formula fields. Within Zoho CRM, the first thing you'll want to do is head to the Settings area. This is where you can configure various aspects of the CRM to suit your needs. After clicking on Settings, locate the Customization section. This is a key area because it allows you to tailor the CRM to fit your workflow exactly. Once in customization, take a moment to explore the options available. It's in this menu that you'll find Modules and Fields. Modules are like containers for different sets of data, such as leads or contacts, and fields are the individual data points within those modules. Click on Modules and Fields, and we'll start creating a custom module. To set up your own formula field, click on Create New Module. You have the freedom here to design modules that serve your specific operational needs. When creating a new module, think about what information is most important to your processes and how a formula field might automate some of your data analysis or reporting tasks. At this stage, you'll see an interface to add various fields. Here's where it gets interesting. A formula field is essentially a dynamic field that computes data using other fields, meaning they can automatically calculate values based on the data you already have available. This could range from simple arithmetic operations to more complex data manipulations. Remember to save all your changes as you work through these settings. The beauty of Zoho CRM is its flexibility and the way it allows you to create a workflow that's uniquely suited to your business. And there you have it, a basic rundown of creating and using formula fields within Zoho CRM. With these tools, you're well on your way to streamlining your data processes and maximizing efficiency within your team. Thank you for tuning in to this guide. I hope it has simplified the process and inspires you to explore more of what Zoho CRM can offer.